Hmm.
Good morning, students. Today is our biology class, human heart in the transportation topic. Actually, human heart just like a fish in the central position, but left, right, down, and four chamber. But mainly before human animals started from water system, aquatic region, fish have two chamber heart, one auricle and one ventricle. Frog have three chamber heart, two auricle and one ventricle. Snake have three chamber heart, two auricle and one ventricle. Exceptional case crocodile. Crocodile have four chamber heart. Apes, class apes have four chamber heart, two auricle and two ventricle. And mammals like human have four chamber heart, two auricle and two ventricle. So different classes. Example: P A R A M. Param. P for fishes, A for amphibian, R for reptilian, A for apes, M for mammals. Actually, human heart covered by our outermost covering layer, pericardium. This is pericardium. Outermost covering layer or membrane. Pericardium. This is pulmonary artery. Papillary muscles. This is upper portion. Here too, just like a pipe. Right precaval, precaval, right precaval, and this is left precaval, left precaval, right precaval and left precaval receive carbon dioxide mixed blood from upper portion of the heart, and lower portion of the heart receive impure blood from post cava. This is post cava. Post cava, also known as vena cava. Vena cava. So, human heart upper portion, left and right precable receive impure blood from this side and through post cable or vena cava receive impure blood from this side. Impure blood means carbon dioxide mixed blood or deoxygenated blood. Here four chamber, like at first this is right auricle, right ventricle, left auricle and left ventricle. But here septum present. This is septum. Septum through separate right ventricle and left ventricle. And here tricuspid valve. This is tricuspid valve present. Tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve and here bicuspid valve. Bicuspid valve. Bicuspid valve and just below this valve here present aorta. 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 This is regular line and this is irregular. Regular and irregular means this pipe down portion and this pipe upper portion. So down portion irregular indicate and upper portion regular indicate. Down portion name pulmonary artery. Actually pulmonary artery transport impure blood from right ventricle to lungs. Right ventricle to lungs. And lungs through receive pure blood. Lungs through receive pure blood with the help of pulmonary vein. Actually pulmonary vein connect with lungs to left auricle. Lungs to left auricle and receive oxygenated blood, pure blood in left auricle and left auricle to transport left ventricle. And after that now pure blood, oxygenated blood, left ventricle to out. Actually at first here artery transport, pulmonary artery transport impure blood, but only artery transport pure blood. This is pulmonary term and exceptional case. Real, actually vein outside. Vein transport impure blood, carbon dioxide mixed blood, deoxygenated blood, but pulmonary vein transport pure blood, oxygenated blood and oxygen mixed blood from lungs to heart, in the heart left auricle chamber. So at first right precable and left precable receive impure blood from upper portion to right auricle, and vena cava receive impure blood from body parts to right auricle. Now right auricle to transport right ventricle, and this is tricuspid valve, via tricuspid valve, one way condition valve, and now blood return but automatic. This is chordae tendineae. This is chordae tendineae, and with the help of chordae tendineae and tricuspid valve, returning our close here. So deoxygenated blood move this portion, means this is the pulmonary artery, and pulmonary artery through carbon dioxide mix blood transport in the lungs, and breathing system through carbon dioxide release and receive oxygen and oxygen mixed blood. Pulmonary vein through transport left auricle, and left auricle to now transport left ventricle here, bicuspid valve, and this is chordae tendineae. One way condition but returning our close bicuspid valve, and aorta, this is aorta through oxygen mixed blood or pure blood and oxygenated blood out. So two times out, one times impure blood out, heart to lungs, and one times oxygen mixed blood enter and pure blood out. Indicate here double circulation, two times. This is papillary muscles, this is chordae tendineae, and 1, 2, 3, 4 chamber human heart. Actually 1/20 to 80, 1/20 to 80 millimeter mm per Hg mercury normal blood pressure. But American Standard Ratio 110/70 millimeter per Hg. Hg symbol of mercury. Contraction and relaxation. Contraction, systolic pressure, relaxation, diastolic pressure. Two types of pressure: contraction, relaxation. contraction and relaxation, systolic and diastolic. And this is the figure of a typical structure, sectional structure of a human heart. And upper portion, this side 5 vein and artery present and blockage here. 1 times, 2 times, 3rd times, 4 times, 5th times. Suppose any one vein or artery. Here slowly capillary, wall of the capillary slowly close. Then first attack. Here first attack and second attack, second close, third attack, close and excess, maximum chance death. So doctor here bypass surgery this portion. And actually vitamin P is very important for strength of wall of the capillary and remove and clear artery and vein. Okay, thanks.